know how people shower here. It is so cold. It is so cold, my God. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. I know. Anela, your energy is low. I get it. I do. But honestly, if you have never lived in a country where it is currently 12 degrees, you will not know how that feels. I'm not even joking. Like, there is a lot to be grateful for, which I am going to honestly get into. But I also want to talk about how the weather here just says, sleep, do nothing, be lazy, don't do anything. And you have to like fight, you get, to get things done and to just like feel like your normal self. And you also have to make sure that you're staying on top of your supplements, which is why right now I've been taking my supplements regularly. I've been living well. I've been journaling. Like, you cannot afford to stay outside of routine. Otherwise, things will just go from like this much chaos to this. Things are going to come at you at once. That's the truth. Things are going to come at you at once. You'll be doing registration. You'll be doing health card. You'll be doing SIN. You'll be doing, what other thing have we done? Getting a family clinic. You'll be doing, bank registration, and I have to open like 2 accounts, one for USD, one for regular Canadian dollars. Like, the paperwork on my end alone, and then you will have to transition your income streams from where your region is, which is Africa, to Canada, which is in North America. Yeah. And that transition is not just, oh, you impute things. No, it comes with a lot of paperwork. All the paperwork that you used in Nigeria are no longer tenable. You have to create another line, a trail of paperwork for how you're going to earn in North America. Yeah, that is the current level of chaos. So sometimes, honestly, my head is everywhere but in my body. I'm not even joking. Like, it just comes at you at once and you just wonder, I cannot wait for this to just be over. Like, I am a soft babe. And most people say, oh, husband and wife should not relocate together at once. I don't believe in that, because I can't possibly imagine deferring or delaying this till next year. Like, watching my husband come first and then me following him, and then he would have done his own. I will not be the one doing all those things. Like, he will not be following me. I will not be the only one waiting. Like, nah. Being the Lone Ranger, absolutely not. So I'm kind of like excited that we are doing this together, and there's a lot of strength in the number because we are 2, and we have a lot of people who are helping us again. Auntie Fumi and her husband, Sister Busayo, you guys are absolutely wonderful. Like, the entire process would have been more tedious without the help of these 2 families. Like, when they say Nigerians abroad are diseases, I cannot relate, because God gave us favor with these wonderful families, and I'm always so grateful, because I'm somebody that I get easily overwhelmed. So imagine not having help. And can I just say that Canadians are nice but not helpful? They are 2 different things. So they'll be nice to you, they have normal manners, etiquettes that I always preach to you guys, but like, to be resourceful, to provide information that you need, they don't know how to do that. I don't know, it's just a thing. Most white people that I've been meeting, they're not really like the type to take initiative. They leave things still, like, whenever, however. And you are coming from Nigeria with this hustle spirit, this high drive to get things done, to keep case closed and stuff, and you're just wondering, why are they so slow-paced and lackadaisical? Because you have 1,001 things on your to-do list. I know, I do. And you just have to work at their pace. You get, like, I'm coming from this, let's get this done, let's be settled, let me go back to my content schedule, because I have a lot of content planned. And as you guys have been looking at watching some of my videos, you will see that it comes with a lot of intention. All those videos have been scripted before I left Nigeria. Like, I knew what I was going to film, I knew what had to be in each clip. I had to do all of that work before leaving Nigeria, so that I will not be adding scripting and creating content and merging a schedule together while still trying to get situated. It comes with a lot of planning and intentionality, because I don't want my work to suffer. This is what I do for a living. Sometimes you don't even get yourself. Like, I don't know how people shower here. my god. I don't know how people shower here, but of course I've been showering. And that's because, like, if I tell you my trick, you will not believe it. But let's just say, because I'm such a wellness, hygiene-driven person, it is a non-negotiable. So no matter how cold it is, I have to like dip. And don't even tell me that, hey, why can't you turn the shower to hot water? Girl, the kind of cold that you will shower with hot water, but you will still be cold. You don't know until you are in it. Let me just tell you now. So don't argue with me in the comments, okay? Another thing that people don't make emphasis on. I hope I've not been talking. Oh my god. I've been talking for a long time. I lose my hair too. Yeah. And I had to do all of it by myself. I miss my salon so much because sometimes all I have to do in Nigeria is like just go to the salon. They will lose their hair, wash it, blow dry it, straighten it. I had to do all of that by myself. My husband ended up losing my hair. We didn't finish until like close to midnight, and then I woke up the next day, my face was swollen because girl, I slept late and I had to wash my hair, use the dryer, straighten it by myself, like. And I don't know if I've shown you guys, I have a lot of hair. Like, my hair is now quite long and it is also a bit full. So all of that will come by myself. All by myself. Yeah. Anyways, that is the update. I need to go and get my day started now that I've done my journal. I've kind of like planned my day. The fact that my braid is even off, like I'm beginning to feel like my Nigerian normal self. Like my braid is off. I'm going to have to see how I can get my hair waved back so I can go back to the wig life, the turban life that I love so much, because I don't know how you guys have been doing it, carrying braid everywhere. The weight of that hair, story for another day. Reduce the TV, please. Your wife is trying to work, and since you just confessed to the entire YouTube channel that you support my career, I'm going to be asking you some questions. I've turned off the gas, the burner. You don't do gas here. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Let me just get this rubber glove out of the way. It is messing up the entire aesthetic of my vibe. Happy Canada Thanksgiving. Today is actually October the 13th, yeah, and this is Thanksgiving weekend. So Monday the stores are not going to be opened and people are cooking. It's like a small Christmas. I'm just like, okay. In October they have Halloween, they have my mom's birthday, they have my birthday, they have my mom-in-law's birthday, my dad-in-law's birthday, then they have Canada Thanksgiving Anyways, so we went to church today. Last week we went to church. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll be able to keep up with some of the little bit of tidbits that I share about my life on Instagram. Last week we actually went to church, but it was a white dominated church. This Sunday, our very wonderful family, Pastor Joseph and his dear wife Auntie Fumi, took us to their RCCG church. Yes, and it was such a phenomenal service. Like, see, me, I don't know how to form that guy during worship. I was teary, like water came out from one of my corner eyes. I'm like, okay, it's a new church. Can we just start crying now? Yeah, I actually cried during worship. Joe Mettle was there. I'm going to insert a picture. He came. Girl, that service was phenomenal. And then after that, they drove us around Niagara. We were so close to the falls, like, oh, so close. Imagine me with my camera carrying you guys along the Niagara Falls and stuff. But yeah, that also happened. And I forgot to show you guys what I'm wearing today. I'm going to insert a clip of the TikTok Get Ready With Me just on the side so you guys can catch up. But it is such a beautiful floral red dress. See, this is the thing. I don't know if this is the front or the back. I just assumed that because the opening is here, this has to be the front. But every time I try to put my pocket inside, like put my hands in my pocket, the pocket tends to turn sideways. So I guess I'm wearing it the wrong way, but you know how fashion is. You can make it your own taste, your own style. So this is what I'm wearing, and I'm putting on my floral leggings. I'm just going to put my leg on the table because I can't show you guys that. This is I'm wearing thermal leggings since from Forever 21. So that is the fate. I have lost my braid because that hair was beginning to kill me. Like, how do you guys do it? You braid your hair and you just leave it there for weeks. Can't be me anymore. Like, I just had to lose it and keep it up to date and just like tidy and clean and neat. Yeah, so basically that is the fit. What am I doing today? Today I'm resting. Do I have to plan for the week? I guess I have to plan for the week. Yes, I have to plan for the week. We have an invitation to honor later this evening. What other thing? Yeah, are we feeling the makeup? Makeup is giving celestial, terrestrial, very gorgeous human being that has taste, that is elegant and that tones everything down and that is modest and graceful and elegant. Whatever I'm saying right now, you get the gist. Anyways, so that is the update. Babe, how was service today for you? Did you like it? Was it fun?
It was good. It was lovely.
Did you cry?
New experience. No. Stop it.
I always cry during worship. I cannot just help it. Like, I just especially when they sang that Sistas song.
Yeah, goodness of God.
Oh, you know that song has been my song since like early this year. That song makes me cry. I always wail, like, because like that's the summary of my life. And then guess what? Pastor Joseph actually branched McDonald's, and this is the first time that I am having McDonald's in my entire life, and it was not a bad experience. What? I feel like he and I we have the same taste, similar taste. We don't like anything that is not well done, that is not so cooked, that is not tasty, that does not have like a Nigerian feel to it. So we just ordered fries. We ordered that for us, and of course we got cola. I think it was Auntie Fumi that actually did that job. Yeah, this is so good, guys. So good. I can't remember the last time I took Coke because I'm always on a diet. But then again, my mom keeps saying, stop dieting, just eat so you can add weight. But okay. Anyways, that's the update. I just felt so good today being Sunday, and I wanted to just like catch you guys up. Yesterday I was so down, I'm not even going to lie. I just felt somehow. You get, come to think that we actually got an invite to go out, and then I was sleeping. My husband too was sleeping, so we spent like half of yesterday sleeping on the couch, and then we woke up in the evening and now trying to think, okay, how we're going to set up the apartment and all of that. Anyways, but those are the updates. Yeah, I really can't be shoving camera in people's faces. I would have loved to like show you guys our new family, our new friends, but things are still like pretty new. And you can just tell how much I like them, how much I appreciate them by the energy in my voice. Yeah, so that should be sufficient. Anyways, that's the update. Nothing much. Tomorrow is my mom's birthday. It is always a big deal, guys. My mom's birthday is always a big deal. Like, we all get a birthday wish list. She's gonna give us a wish list, things that she wants us to get. You don't go outside and just start buying things that you think you should buy. No, my mom gives you a wish list. Girl. My sister too does wish list. Last year I did a wish list, and on my wish list I told my husband that I wanted a plain gold necklace, and see, I've been wearing it since last year up till now. It actually came with like earrings and also my wedding and stuff band, but they got delivered separately, and because of that now I have like my own full gold complete set. How cute is that? So I'm really looking forward to my next birthday, which is October the 20th over here in Canada. I already gave my husband what I wanted. Girl, I'm not the type of person to be like, surprise me. No, this is what I want. Don't go and buy what I don't like, okay? Because I'm not going to stress myself to go and start returning things and start picking what I want instead. No, this is what I like. All right? Yeah, anyways, I guess I'll talk to you guys later. Yeah.